Hey everyone, it's Babette, the founder of BakeSpace.com and the new AI kitchen assistant called BakeBot. I want to walk you through our new SmartSwap feature where you can upload any recipe, spot where the most likely imported ingredients are, and we will help you figure out how to swap them out for local finds based on where you live anywhere in the country. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to BakeBot.ai and you're going to want to look for the SmartSwap link. Once you're on the SmartSwap page, you're going to then scroll down and you're going to select what region you're in. Now, I'm on the West Coast, so I'm going to select West Coast. So I found this recipe for easy homemade pad thai that I'm going to use. Now, let's see, there's all this text here. I don't even know where the recipe is. Oh, it's all the way here at the bottom. I'm just going to grab the URL, enter it into the URL here, and click Upload. Now you can upload a file, you can upload text, you can upload screenshots, you can take a picture with your phone, and it will be able to figure out which ingredients in the recipe are most likely imported. I don't know if you know this, but if you just save $20 per shopping trip every single week, that would give you $1,000 back into your bank account. It's spotting the most likely imported ingredients here and it's listing them. And then what it does is it does the hardest part of swapping out ingredients on a recipe. It actually breaks down the recipe, and you can see here, it'll show you what the original ingredient is. It'll show you what to swap it out with. These are made in California. I'm in Los Angeles, so that's appropriate. It'll tell you a little bit about the why, about how much the tariff is, and it'll also tell you what stores you can find the product at. So I can select it. I can choose to select it or not. And I can scroll down and I can see the other items too. Costco. I shop there all the time. And it also tells you like what's in season too. And then at the bottom here, there's some recipe optimization. So like batch cooking, increasing your vegetable to noodle ratio, like things that will try to help you become a better cook as well. So now that I've selected them all, check this out. Look at how much, if I made this recipe weekly, I could save $529. That's not bad. And we generate a picture for you here as well. And now if I want to save the recipe to my account, which I do, go down here to the bottom, save recipe. And you don't even have to be logged in to use the tool either. I'm just logged in because I want to save the recipe ultimately. But if you just upload your recipe, you can print it out. You can email it to yourself. Save to my collection. It's going to be right here. And it tells you where the original recipe came from too. Now that it's in my account, I can actually make modifications anytime. So say, for example, I have a guest that's coming that doesn't like red bell peppers. I can come down here, or if I want to, make it where it's, maybe it's steak or some different kind of protein, I can also change it as well. But I can just come down here, change to steak, and I can just talk to BakeBot. The recipe now is featuring steak. So let's go back up here and look. Now the picture doesn't change, but now it says it's made with steak. And it knows how to adjust for that particular protein. It knows how to adjust the recipe. Now if I want to do cook mode, I can come up here, click cook mode. And it will actually walk me through the recipe in real-time chat. So I can talk to it like a friend. I can ask it questions throughout. I don't have to, it's not just spitting out directions.
Ready to cook some pad thai? Let me know if you have any questions or need tips along the way. From the fridge, grab the eggs, garlic, fresh bean sprouts, red bell peppers, green onions, and fresh cilantro. One common mistake when making pad thai is not having all ingredients prepped and ready to go before starting to cook. Since stir-frying happens quickly over high heat, visually, the noodles should be coated in the sauce and not clumped together. Smell the tantalizing aromas of garlic and tamarind. Taste-wise, perfect balance of sweet, savory, tangy, and a little spicy. Texture-wise, noodles should be tender but firm. A peppery, citrus-driven Sauvignon Blanc pairs wonderfully. Its crisp acidity and citrus notes complement the sweet, savory flavors of the dish and help cut through the richness. Once your pad thai is cooked and cooled, transfer it into airtight containers. Store it in the fridge where it can stay fresh for up to 3 days. If you'd like to keep it longer, freeze it for up to a month. When reheating, you can add a splash of water or broth to keep it moist.
So we understand what it's like to go to the grocery store and your grocery bill just keeps getting bigger and bigger, but it seems like the grocery bags keep getting smaller and smaller. So we hope that SmartSwap is an answer to that. We hope you give it a try. It's completely free. You don't even have to be a member to BakeBot.ai to try it. And let me know what you think.